Hi friends, and welcome back to True North Leadership Academy. Here we're trying to equip Pathfinder leaders, youth ministry volunteers, and even club directors to lead with clarity and purpose. I want to invite you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our Leadership Academy content. Today we're going to break down what EPIC stands for and how each component can help you transform your approach to evangelism in your Pathfinder club. Let's get started. The E in EPIC stands for experiential. You see, postmodern individuals crave authentic experiences over these abstract concepts. They want to encounter truth through experiences that they live. And this is the same for our Pathfinders. They want to participate, not just sit and get. To connect with our Pathfinders, we need to create an environment where they can experience the love and power of God firsthand. This could be through service projects, nature activities, campouts, sharing testimonies, really anything. The P in EPIC stands for participatory. You see, gone are the days where Pathfinders just want to sit and listen. Today's Pathfinders want to actively participate in their spiritual journey. They don't just want to sit and get. They don't just want to sit and absorb. They want to participate. We need to encourage involvement by facilitating discussions, inviting and welcoming questions, empowering individuals to contribute their gifts to the rest of the group and to the community. The I in EPIC stands for image-driven. You see, we live in a visually saturated culture where images and stories speak way louder than words ever could. It's important that we leverage visuals and storytelling with our Pathfinders to help communicate the gospel. You can use videos, art, imagery, all those things to illustrate biblical truths and make them accessible to your Pathfinders and relatable to your Pathfinders. The C in EPIC stands for connected. Authentic relationships really are at the heart of this postmodern quest for meaning. In our Pathfinder clubs, it's important that we work to foster that genuine connection by building your club into a community where individuals are seen, heard, valued. Emphasize that relational approach over this transactional approach of evangelism. So how do we move from this EPIC theory to putting it in action? Let's unpack what that looks like to intentionally apply EPIC strategy to your Pathfinder club or your youth group or church or whatever outreach setting you're working in. Don't just talk about God, create moments where kids encounter Him. This might look like a hands-on service projects where students get to see the gospel in action. Or it might mean a worship night that includes time for reflection, prayer, stations, journaling. Even outdoor adventures or nature walks can tie into creation and can spark a feeling of awe and spiritual awareness. It's important to ask yourself, where in my club can I create space for Pathfinders to feel, reflect, and respond, not just sit there and get something? Invite students to do, not just watch. Let them help. Invite them to lead a song, run the technology, teach a piece of a Pathfinder honor. Go ahead and facilitate those group discussions where you ask real questions and wrestle a little bit with faith. Questions are okay. Give them ownership of part of the program. They'll rise to it. Remember this. Passive spectators go away, but invested participants come alive. We live in this world that's full of powerful imagery, and the gospel is full of powerful imagery. We can use this story-driven videos, memes, object lessons, photos, even hand-drawn illustrations. You can use all of that to bring your Pathfinder lessons to life. Create reels, short videos, or digital devotions that reflect their world visually. Don't be afraid to bring beauty and creativity into what you're trying to teach. You see, that's what God did. You want a tip? Teach the truth through pictures, and your message is going to last a lot longer than after your Pathfinder meeting ends. You see, at the heart of Epic is connection. People don't care about your message if they don't feel like they matter. Pathfinders aren't going to care if they don't feel like they matter. Prioritize one-on-one conversations. Build this culture of mentorship in your club. Pair younger Pathfinders with older TLTs. Celebrate birthdays. Know each kid's story. Pray for them by name. Evangelism isn't just about explaining. It's about embracing. You see, when Pathfinders feel safe, seen, and loved, their hearts open up to the gospel. This epic strategy isn't a gimmick. It's a return to how Jesus led. You see, he created experiences. Remember when he fed the 5,000? He invited participation. Remember when he set out his disciples? He taught with stories and images, the parables. And he connected deeply with people, like the woman at the well, or Nicodemus, or even Peter. Let's follow that lead, his lead. Let's make personal evangelism engaging and relational, because that's what transforms lives. Let's align our evangelistic efforts with our Pathfinders with the values and expectations of this postmodern world that we live in. Make the gospel message more accessible and impactful. So, what would embracing the epic model in your Pathfinder club look like? Drop that in the comments after you've had a little time to think about it.